Good morning and welcome to the Osaka blog.
Rigtig stort tillykke med din fødselsdag. Nu skal du rigtig fejres med alt, hvad det kan tage. Rigtig stort tillykke med alt, hvad det kan tage.
Well, that was something in Danish. It's my birthday today, and that's why. So we're going to Osaka to celebrate. We're going to the Ramen Cup Noodle Museum thing. We're going to eat a lot and do some tourism. And the weather is shit. It's really cold, it's raining now, it's gonna be windy all day. So I'm gonna layer up, put a lot more clothes, and we'll head to the station.
Vending machine adventures continue.
I think Morten at this point has tried pretty much all the coffees in the vending machines.
Tastes exactly like all the other ones. Lemonade.
Yeah, what's this though? Look at the Coke. 120. Okay, I want the lemonade.
So who knows what's in it? Ruby lemonade. From the cheapest vending machine in Japan. 4 kroner. Danish kroner.
I can't open it.
Yeah, you can. Okay.
That's not strong.
Smells strong? Looks fizzy. And?
I have no idea what I'm drinking. It's a very tiny bit fizzy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that bus. Little fizzy. It tastes like lemon and another fruit.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. But it's good. I like it.
That's good.
It's
for
good.
4 kroner.
It's good.
Okay.
You wanna try?
Yes. It's kind of fresh.
Yeah?
It's really fresh.
Yeah?
It's pretty good.
Can you tell what it is apart from lemon? It feels like there's something
like,
else. Peach?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Plum, peach. Something.
Yeah.
Hello. We are in...
Towards you, microphone. What are you doing?
Thank you. Hello. We are in Osaka and we are going to the Cup Noodle Museum. It's the first stop. It was incredibly confusing to get here. The station in Osaka is an absolute mess and there are like 5 stations plumped into one and there's just people everywhere.
Yeah, we had to change stations and it was super confusing. But on the way I got a Starbucks coffee.
Yes. We met a barista in Starbucks that studies Danish, which was really random.
Yes, so weird.
But really cool. And
we spoke Danish with Morten.
And we found our way to the Cup Noodle Museum. We're almost there, hopefully. And yeah, we're gonna make our own noodles.
Yes, I'm excited. I hope it's not too crowded. I'm having breakfast.
We're gonna eat a lot today, so it'll be fun.
We got in, we were given this. Like they asked us which workshop we wanted to do, so we wanted to make the cups. They gave us this and a token, spicy token something, I don't know. And now we need to go buy our cups. Okay, so we got the cups. We're making one for a friend of ours, and I stood like they sat us down at a table, and they told us that in 20 minutes we need to move on from here. So now we are on to a speed drawing mission. I'll start with. I don't know what to start with. Is the Foxy all like?
Foxy is.
Scholars, I want to use something.
Yeah.
But like I start with this one or? I'm speed drawing for.
Speed drawing.
But you can show mine maybe more. This is Aske's noodle cup. And one more. We do this. those. What else do we do now? Maybe the pork and the shrimp. Soup first.
Soup. Curry. Crab. And kawaii.
Oh, look up! It's so nice. Okay, so now we put them in the bags. But do we close it first?
No, we just insert zip.
Okay, so we put this here. Like this. You need to fold this and... No. What are we doing?
I think you remove.
Oh, it's because it's inflating in between or something. I'm doing it. But this is going to take so much space in our suitcase. Because we have done it less. Also, how are we going to travel with them today?
Yeah.
It was a bad idea. Oh, you can take the air out with the straw. Yes.
How to eject cup?
What a maze. Oh, you threw my phone. Ooh. There's a whole other ramen factory down here and it looks so busy.
No, trust.
Because I tasted the cheese, the potato, the sauce, everything at once. So good. Lived up to the hype. What do you think?
Really tasty. So much flavor.
Not sure what it is, but they're fishing fishes. No, because it says stop.
Yeah.
Straight ahead. They're literally fishing in the pool. I just want an octopus for the. Is that 5 kroner?
Yeah.
Octopus. That was amazing.
It's Ada's birthday luck. I didn't even grab the one you were looking for, but another one.
It's not the first time though. I'm pretty good at this game.
Sure.
I feel like that's too heavy, but perfect.
No.
Oh, because what does it have?
That's so big, like it.
It's because it keeps when it gets close up.
Yeah.
Trying a new machine.
First it goes up, so that's really tricky.
Yeah. Very careful now. Oh, that's how much it pulls.
Wait, what?
It's a gyoza vending machine. Like, we don't have time now, but I want to try it. It's been a while. The stations, like the transportation here is a mess. We're struggling a lot with that. And we had the Okonomiyaki, which was amazing. And then we walked a bit around the Dotonbori area. And then we realized, well, we bought a lot of snacks as gifts. And then we realized that we forgot our physical credit card and that we don't have more cash. So, yeah, we're trying to adapt to that because we're not sure we'll be able to get any money. We can only pay contactless with my phone. And there's a lot of people. Okay, I just get really nervous when there's a lot of people, but I just wanted to say that as it is my birthday, Morten booked a place, a restaurant for us to go eat, and we need to go now and ask if we can pay contactless, and I'm really curious to see what it is. He wants to leave.
So. Ada wanted to try Kobe beef, which I also wanted to try again. Yes, Ada wants to try Kobe beef, which I also wanted to try again, but instead we're gonna try Matsusaka beef, I think it's called, which is supposedly, it's another type of beef, but the same quality or higher, I read, than Kobe. So we'll go to a fancy place called Yakiniku M and try it out.
Yes.
And see how it tastes.
Yeah, we were supposed to go to Kobe the day after Universal, but we were extremely exhausted and we were going just to try.
Eat,
yeah, just to eat.
So here we should get hopefully the same or better experience.
Yes.
And in Osaka on Ada's birthday.
Yes.
Yes.
We're about to try the most expensive piece on the menu. We're gonna try 8,000 yen piece of beef. It's supposed to be the best. This melts in my mouth.
Yeah.
So good.
Getting better at timing this.
Yes. We got some ponzu sauce for our last pieces of amazing beef, and yeah, she just offered it to us, so I'm really excited. We rolled the vegetables in the beef, she said.
Yeah, mix it
in the beef. We're down to our last piece of fucking amazing beef.
That's so efficient.
That's how it should be called. Okay, that's a holding time. So we can automatic model selection.
5 minutes to 15 minutes.
Joy Sound.
Yeah.
Joy Sound AI Stadium. I don't know what that means. So we had some amazing beef. It was such a nice experience. The beef was really, really good. The most expensive one of the selection we got, which was kind of random, was insane. Like
Really tender.
It melted in your mouth
tasty,
instantly.
Yeah.
It was crazy. And then Martin told them it was my birthday, so we got a free dessert thing. So nice and so cute. And now we're going karaoke. Oh, microphone's here, Martin? No? Okay, what I was saying is that we came out of the beef restaurant that for my birthday they made me like a little cute drawing. It was so cute. She made it so nicely. Am I filming?
Yeah.
It was so nice, so well done. It was such a nice experience. We had some wine, and now we came out, and just across the street there was this karaoke. So we have 30 minutes to sing, because we're not spending more money. Yeah. Let's go. Songs, artists, songs, Japanese.
Karaoke ranking. Okay, Let It Go, Shape of You, What Makes You Beautiful, I Want It That Way, Call Me Maybe, Let It Be.
Okay, whole selection of Linkin Park. Pick one that I know, please.
I pick one.
Can you let me know?
Yeah.
How will we call the previous one? Great! Let's go again! I cannot believe this is happening. If anyone ever witnesses this, Morten's gonna sing High School Musical with me.
It was all training, all the movies.
Karaoke was a success. We sang some
Linkin Park,
Avril Lavigne, and now we're gonna go pay and keep with our day. It was, I don't think you'll see any clips because I don't think Morten's gonna allow me. But if you do, you're very lucky. It was really fun, really fast because we took
really
just
fast, yeah.
30 minutes, but really cool.
I'm in Osaka.
You're in Osaka? I got a sesame ball thing with sesame thing inside.
A lot of sesame. Mochi?
Mochi!
Oh.
Has a lot of sesame. With the black sesame. I don't even remember last time I vlogged. But wow,
Sesame.
Oh yeah, I tried the sesame ball with the sesame thing. Well, the sesame thing was amazing. Then we checked out the part and I thought it was really cool. It turns out it wasn't. So we just rushed to the station to catch a Shinkansen that would take us to Kyoto in 15 minutes. We had to run to make the transfer because these stations are a fucking mess. And now we're walking because we messed up again getting out of the station in Kyoto. So we're just walking home and that's it for tonight. Anything else to say?
Happy birthday.
We made it to Hiroshima. I'm really excited to feel like it's Christmas. Tried for the first time Hiroshima style Okonomiyaki.
Noodles.
We found the light! I love that the hotel mascot is a fucking astronaut cat. We're at the Peace Museum in Hiroshima. That's how I would say it in Spanish, and then I switched to English and like Hiroshima.